Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.4 Optional Exercise Question number 1. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line segment of the points A, B. So A, they are given A and B, which is 2, minus 2. 3, 7. There is one point, let me take the point P. There is one line passing at the point P. They have given the equation for this line, that is 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation of this line. So we don't know at what ratio it divides the line P, the point P divides the line segment in a ratio. That ratio we don't know, we need to find the ratio, and they have not given the point value P, the coordinate P, but they have given there is one line passing through it with the ratio of, with the equation of 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. If we find a point P, then if we find a point P, we know that the x and y value lies between this, because the line passes through the given point. Now let us find the value of P. As it's a ratio, we know the ratio formula to be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now just substitute the value. These are m1 x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Just substitute the value. We don't know the ratio, so we need to take the ratio to be k:1. Now just substitute it. Here m1, here m2. Now m1 is k, so k into x1 is x2 is 3 plus 1 into 2 by k plus 1 z, now again m1 y2, so 7 plus 1 into minus 2 by k plus 1. Now if we solve this, we get 3k plus 2 by k plus 1, 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. These are the points of P. Now we know that in this we have found the x value and the y value. We found the x value and the y value. Instead of the equation x and y, just substitute the value what we have found. Now the given equation is 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we know this, the point here, this value lies in the point. So we know these are x and y values. So just substitute the value over here. Instead of x, the x value, that is 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus y. Y is just the y value, minus 2 by k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Instead of that, I am just taking minus 4 to that side as plus 4. Now we know the denominator is same. Write the denominator once. You can multiply 2 inside. We need to multiply 2 with both the terms. So it becomes 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 is equal to 4. Bring k plus 1 to the side. Solve here the like terms. So 6 plus here, these are the like terms. So solve it. 13k plus 2 is equal to 4 into k plus 1. Now if I solve this, multiply this inside, here it becomes 13k plus 2 is equal to 4k plus 1. Bring all the k value to one side. So 13k minus 4k. If you multiply here, it becomes 4 into k, 4k and plus 4. So I am bringing k to one side and number to the other side. If 4k comes here, it becomes as minus 4k and 2 will become minus 2. Now here we can solve this. Here it becomes 9k equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 9. So we have found the k value to be 2 by 9. This is nothing but the ratio k by 1. K by 1 is 2 by 9. So the ratio will be 2:9 is the final answer for this given sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.